Welcome to Bhandari Marble Group. Here we are presenting a new video on Satwario marble. Satwario marble is one of the most luxurious and exclusive white marble in the world. It is very famous for tiny, fine, and distinct grain, exquisite white background, equipped with newest and modern stone cutting, polishing machines, and high stock. We provide customers finest quality Satwario marble in slabs, cut to size tiles, columns, carvings, etc. for different projects. With its high texture, gloss, and variety, it is widely used in upscale places such as hotels, lobby, kitchen countertops, and backsplashes, stairs, walling, etc. This marble is an Italian excellence sought after for its unique beauty and properties. It features a white background embellished by few marked dark grey veins, apt for interior luxury spaces, countertops, or wall installations. This marble is extracted from quarries in Italy. This is an expensive white marble. The price of Satwario marble depends on the variety and the variation. We have Satwario marble slabs available in stock. Satwario marble tile can be made on order. Satwario marble is without doubt one of the most beautiful Italian marble available. It is the epitome of style and elegance and has been utilized as a symbol of sophistication and status in interior design for centuries. Here at Bhandari Marble Group, we are often asked about Satwario marble by architects, interior designers, luxury builders, and end users alike. Satwario marble is a striking and exclusive bright white natural stone denoted by its beautiful gold and grey veining and its rich bold patterns. It is arguably the most sought after white stone in the marble family. Satwario marble often contains heavy grey veining thought out with unique and complex patterns. It originates from the mountain quarries of Satwario. Here at Bhandari Marble Group, we are one of the leading suppliers and exporters of Satwario marble. Satwario marble is unsurprisingly commonly used as a focal point of any room. Most of our clients use it for stunning kitchen countertops and black splashes or as large floor tiles. Luxury bathrooms are equally good uses for this natural stone, as it's the perfect material for the vanity area or even as eye-catching floor tile. Satwario marble must be properly maintained and cared for to ensure it keeps its stunning looks over time. Marble must be sealed before use and from time to time to keep it in optimum condition. Spills should be wiped up quickly to prevent staining and regular cleaning is recommended. Here at Bandari Marble Group, we will happily advise you on how to take care of your particular type of Satwario marble or other type of natural stone, as all natural stone products require different maintenance plans. Satwario marble is a calcium-rich natural stone, continues to change over time with use, adding character to the piece. This can be most obvious white marble as imperfections are more visible. When taken care of, it can remain in tip-top shape, preserving its unique personality while still looking luxurious. It's equally popular with our commercial clients, where it can be used as part of a statement reception area or boardroom in five-star hotels and can often be seen in religious buildings such as churches. In ancient Italy, Satwario marble was the marble of choice for carving lavish statues and was the stone used for Michelangelo's famous David masterpiece. Satwario marble contains the subtle grey hues found in Carrara with similar grey veining that you will find in Calcutta slabs. This stone is a very bright white in color, also making it incredibly valuable. While Satwario is held in Italy for being the perfect marble for carving statues, it is also a highly sought after material for residential and commercial projects. This white marble works beautifully as a large tile option, countertop slab, or book matched backsplash or wall panel. Please like and share this video and drop us your query. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.